Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone, ever wished you could play the iconic Clash of Clans theme on your piano? Well, today is your lucky day. I'm going to show you an incredibly simple way to learn this catchy tune, perfect for beginners or anyone looking for a fun new piece. You don't need years of experience. We'll tackle it step by step, making it super approachable and enjoyable for everyone. Let's begin with the right hand and the core melody. Focus on finding middle C, then explore notes like E, G, and F, as these are central to the theme. It's all about getting comfortable with where these notes are located on the keyboard. Just play them one by one, nice and slow, getting a feel for the rhythm and their position under your fingers. Now, let's bring in your left hand for some simple accompaniment. We'll use just 3 easy chords: C major, G major, and F major. These are fundamental for the Clash of Clans sound. Try to find the notes for each chord and press them down together, really feeling how they create that rich, full sound. Don't rush, just get used to the feel of each chord. This is where the magic happens, but remember, patience is key. Begin by playing a short segment of the melody with your right hand, and then very carefully add the correct left-hand chord. Take it measure by measure, or even note by note if you need to. As you feel more comfortable and the notes begin to flow, you can slowly, very slowly, increase your tempo, building confidence with every successful attempt. To truly master this tune, consistency is far more important than long, infrequent practice sessions. Aim for just 5 to 10 minutes every day. It really makes a difference. Also, listening to the actual Clash of Clans theme will help you get the rhythm and feel just right. Remember, the goal is to enjoy the process and have a wonderful time making music on your piano. Happy playing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.